Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is for you.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Oops. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Please forgive me.
It's okay. Excuse me.
Yes. Here you are.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
See you. May I come in?
Yes, please. Sorry.
It's okay.
Goodbye, Kate.
See you later.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Hi, I'm Peter.
Hello, I'm Sally.
Goodbye, Sally.
Goodbye, Peter.
Good morning, Amy.
Good morning, Sam.
Thanks for finding it.
You're welcome.
Hello, my name is Jack.
Hi, my name is Kate.
Can I open it now?
Sure.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Goodbye.
Bye.